Any Kikirikis.
Awa.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, where you can see some of me micro chicken and roosters. I breed small mini micro Kikirikis bantam and serama. I have different colored chickens and different styles. Some have tails, some don't, and I will be posting more soon. These that you're seeing here don't grow too much. These grow 4 to 5 inches. Other than eating and sleeping, they play fight sometimes, and they like to walk around the house. So, I do take them out of the cage, and let them walk around the house for a couple of hours. If you're interested in having some in your house, I highly recommend these. They entertain me and keep me in a great mood. You, your family and friends will love them. I sell them by the pair, or separate, even 3 or more. I ship all over the United States. You can contact me for details and information, and will gladly answer all your questions. I have more that look like the brown chicken. Without fur on their neck, it's a cute breed. They could be fed chicken food, and they can be fed pieces of apple and lettuce. Thank you for stopping by my channel. You can like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe and follow my TikTok.